If you're a beginner and you want to make hundreds of thousands of dollars on Amazon KDP, the first thing you will have to do is to create an Amazon KDP account. In this video, I'll be walking you through the steps of opening and verifying your Amazon KDP account so that you can start making money online. Now, Amazon KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, which is an Amazon platform for self-publishing ebooks. Publishing books on Amazon is a fantastic way to earn passive income that will keep paying you in years to come. Now, before you proceed to open an account on Amazon KDP, there are two important requirements you must have. The first requirement is you must have an active email address. The second requirement is you must have a US bank account and a local bank account bearing your real name. Now, you need a US bank account because Amazon is a US-based company. So you need this account to receive your payments in US dollars. If you are a non-US citizen or you are outside the US and you want to create an account on Amazon KDP, you want to create an account and publish a book to sell on Amazon KDP, you can use these payment platforms called Payoneer or Gray.co. Sign up with these platforms and they will issue you a US bank account, which you can set up your account on Amazon KDP. Now, if you don't have Payoneer account, I'm going to be leaving the link to that video in the description so that you can go and watch that video. And if you want me to make a video on how to create Gray account, then let me know in the comment section and I will do that for you. Now, once you have sign up on this platform, if you are a non-US citizen and you've obtained your US account, you can go ahead and create your Amazon KDP account. So I'm going to be taking you to my laptop screen to show you the step-by-step process on how to create this account. But before I will do that, if you're new to my channel, my name is Chinewan Violet. On this channel, I share information on different ways of making money online. So for more content, join the family by subscribing to this channel, turn on that notification bell beside it so you get notified when a new video is up on this channel. And to my returning subscribers, you all are welcome back. So without further ado, let's go to my screen. I'm going to go into Google and type Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP. Login. So we'll click on this one and then we'll have to sign up. We want to create an account, so we're going to sign up. If you have an account on Amazon KDP, maybe you created the account but you've not actually completely set up your account, you can click on sign in, okay, to set up your account. But if you have not created an account, you've not put in any detail, any information on Amazon KDP, you just click on sign up. So I'm going to click on sign up. All right, so we'll start creating an account. This place they say create your KDP account. I'll click on it. So now you can create your account by putting in your details. So I'm going to put in my first and last name. And then I'm going to put in email address. And then I have to create a password that is at least 6 characters. And I'll re-enter the password. And then I'll click on create your KDP account. And so now they're going to send OTP to my email. So this is why I said you need to have an active email address. So this is the email they sent to me. This is the OTP. So I'm just going to copy the code and then come over here and I'm just going to paste it. Okay, and I will say create your Amazon account. I'll click on it. So these are the terms and conditions. You have to go through these terms and conditions, okay, and then click on agree. All right, so now we have signed up. Okay, now what is left is for us to complete our account information. We have to set up our account. All right, so now it says here your account information is incomplete. To publish a book, you will need to complete this. So we have to update our account. Okay, this is our dashboard. So we'll have to update our account. Okay, you can see here they say once you create a book, it will show up here in your bookshelf. So this is your bookshelf. So once you publish a book, this is where you will see your book. This is the bookshelf. All right, so now we're going to go and update our information. So click on update now. And now we have to put in our phone number. Okay, so they will have to you have to set up a two-factor authentication. Okay, two-step verification for your phone, for your account. So I'm going to select Nigeria. Okay, I'll select Nigeria and then I'll put in the number. Okay, I'll click on send OTP. Okay, they will send the OTP to this phone number. So now I'm going to put in the code 002701. Okay, and I'll click on continue. So once you click on the OTP, once you put in the OTP they sent to your phone number, they will bring you to this page, okay, where you will asked to put in your business type. You will select individual, okay, either individual or corporation, okay, or corporation. So you can select individual if it is an individual account you're creating. So you select individual, you put in your date of birth, okay, put in your real date of birth, select your country or region, then put in a legal name, okay, which is your full name. Put in your full name. If it's a company, you can put in the company's name. Then put in the address, okay. They have address 1, address 2. Then you can just select one address and put in your address. Put in city, put in the state, the province, the region, the postcode, and then your phone number. Once this part is done, then the next thing is to put in your payment method, okay. All right, you can see over here, it says getting paid. Provide your bank information to receive electronic royalty payment. All right, so I've already set up my account, but I'm just going to show you guys how to set up. Now, if you are outside the US, okay, or you're a non-US citizen, you will need Payoneer for this particular account setup, or Gray account. So if you don't have Payoneer account, I'm going to be leaving, I made a video, like I said earlier, I'm going to be leaving the link to that video in the description. Now they are saying add another bank, but because if it's a new account, okay, you'll be asked to add a bank account. So I'm just going to click on this, okay, click on United States. Okay, they are still telling me I already have an account. Okay, so what you need to do right now is to go to your Payoneer account, okay. Go to your Payoneer account. I'm going to log into my Payoneer account to show you guys how to go about it. All right. So once you have come over to your Payoneer account, you're going to click on Get Paid. So when you click on Get Paid, all right, these options will come up. You click on Receiving Account. And then you can see this is UK account and this is US account. So what I'm going to do is click on View Details. So once you click on View Details, it will bring up your account information. You will see the bank name, you will see the route number, okay, and you see the account number, account type, which is checking, beneficiary name, which is your name, and your bank address. So what you need to do is to copy them, okay, copy each of them and put them in their respective places on your Amazon account. So you see checking, you select checking, account number, and re-enter account number, routing number, copy them from your Payoneer account and you put them here. So once you're done putting in your information, you click on add. They will ask you to add your account information. You click on add here. So the next thing is your tax information. Now this tax information, I've already updated my tax. You have to click on view tax information. Now, this tax information is very, very important because you need to fill up this tax, because if you do not fill up this tax, the government will take 30% of your earnings. Okay, so you do not want that to happen. If you are a non-US citizen, you have to fill up the non-US citizen tax form. Okay, so if you do not fill up this form, the US government will take 30% of your earnings. Okay, so that is why it's very important to fill up the form. So you can see there is no tax information because I've already filled up my tax information. But if you have not filled up your tax information, the form will come up once you click on the button. Once you click on that button, tax information. Okay, this page will be the form. All right, so you just have to put in your information, put in your name, your citizen, your country of citizen, your address, put in all your information. Is very simple, and then click on save. So once you've clicked on save, okay, it will bring you back to this page, and you will have to click on save again, and it will save all your information. Okay, it will now update your tax information, your bank information, and your Amazon KDP account has been updated and it has been verified, and you can now start publishing books on Amazon KDP. So now you have completed your KDP account setup. You are now ready to start publishing your books on Amazon. If you find this video useful, if you enjoy watching this video, please give this video a massive thumbs up so that YouTube can share this video to more people to watch. Share this video to your friends, your families, to anyone you know of. Share this video on your WhatsApp, share this video on your Facebook, share this video on your social media, on your Instagram, share it on all your social media platforms so that it will reach more people and they can watch and also get value from it. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever a new video is up on this channel. And if you have any question, please drop them in the comment section. If you have any idea, any video you want me to make, let me know in the comment section and I will do the video for you. So thank you so much guys for watching these videos. Thank you for the likes, thank you for supporting this channel. I appreciate you all. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.